Meaning of deep six.
Deep six.
Deep six.
Deep six.
Deep six. The term deep six is a slang expression meaning to get rid of something or someone, usually by throwing it away or burying it. The phrase likely originated from the practice of burying a body at sea in waters at least 6 fathoms, 36 feet, deep to prevent it from resurfacing. Today, the term is commonly used to refer to disposing of something or someone in a way that makes it difficult or impossible to recover or retrieve. In short, deep sixing means getting rid of something for good.